Good day. How are you? I hope you're always fine with positive mind. I am Professor Mats. Come, join me. Let us explore real-time knowledge.
Today, we will be exploring lecture video preparations. But before that, let us pause for a while and pray. Lord Almighty, to Thee we humbly pray, for the strength in our knowledge, that remembering and understanding will stay. Bless us with Thy Spirit in every applying and analyzing that we will lay. Guide us with Thy wisdom in creating and evaluating our lesson for today. Amen. At the end of this lecture video, you can recall some mathematical principles that are necessary in manipulating equation. Enumerate and apply the steps in getting the derivative of an equation. Let us have the 5 steps on derivatives. First, identify y in terms of x in the given equation. Second, change y to y plus delta y and x to x plus delta x. Third, substitute the original value of y, then solve for delta y. Fourth, divide both sides of the equation by delta x. Lastly, get the limit of the resulting expression as delta x approaches 0. Example: find the derivative of y with respect to x in y is equal to 3x plus 5. Step 1. We need to identify y in terms of x in the given equation. Y is equal to 3x plus 5. So, we have to see to it that in the left side, we have y only. And in the right side, all the remaining members of the equation. Step 2. Change y to y plus delta y and x to x plus delta x. We will have y plus delta y is equal to 3 times x plus delta x plus 5. Always remember that in substituting a value, you must enclose them with open and close parentheses. And what we can see now in the left side, by associative property of addition, we can remove the open and close parentheses. Step 3. Substitute the original value of y, then solve for delta y. Here, our original value of y is 3x plus 5. So we're going to substitute it in y. So we will have 3x plus 5 plus delta y is equal to 3 times x plus delta x plus 5. By associative property of addition, we can remove the open and close parentheses. Then, we're going to apply the addition property of equality, wherein we're going to add negative 3x and negative 5 in the left side. Also, we're going to add negative 3x and negative 5 in the right side. Applying the inverse property of addition, we can have 3x plus negative 3x that is equal to 0. Therefore, we can remove 3x and negative 3x. Similarly, we have 5 plus negative 5 that is also equal to 0. So we can remove 5 and the negative 5. So we can see now that what's left in the left side of our equation is just the delta y. Next is we're going to simplify the right side of our equation. And to do that, we have to apply first the distributive property of multiplication over addition, wherein we're going to distribute the 3 to x plus delta x. So we will have 3 times x plus 3 times delta x. Then, by associative property of multiplication, we can remove the open and close parentheses in 3 times x. That will become 3x, and 3 times delta x, that will become 3 delta x. Plus 5 plus negative 3x plus negative 5. So again, let us apply the inverse property of addition. We have 3x plus negative 3x, that is equal to 0. Also, 5 plus negative 5, that is equal to 0. So what's left in the right side of our equation is 3 delta x. Step 4, divide both sides of the equation by delta x. So we will have delta y over delta x, that is equal to 3 delta x over delta x. As we can see, in the right side of our equation, applying the inverse property of multiplication, we have delta x divided by delta x, that is equal to 1. So we can remove the delta x and the delta. This will become 1. So we will have 3 divided by 1, that is equal to 3. Step 5. Get the limit of the resulting expression as delta x approaches 0. So our resulting expression is 3, so the limit of 3 as delta x approaches 0 is equal to 3, since there are no delta x's that exist in the resulting function or expression. Hence, for y is equal to 3x plus 5, the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 3.
Thank you for watching this lecture video. If you have questions, comments, and suggestions, email me at primovillanuevajr@yahoo.com. I hope to see you again on my next lecture videos. Good day.